Delighted, absolutely delighted. Yeah, we thought we deserved it over 90 minutes, but the lads put everything into it. We knew it wasn't going to be easy. You know, Penrhyndeudraeth have had a good goal there. You know, they've had a real good goal as, and you know, probably a bit of fitness and, you know, well, clinical in front of goal has won us the trophy in the end, I think. The league is what we wanted, but for the supporters, we felt the best way to reward them for being loyal to us was the trophy. And, you know, hopefully, I know they'll have a good day on the back of that now. You know, we couldn't have done it with 11 players. It has been a squad effort, and, you know, fair play to them. You know, hats off to them, and obviously the supporters today is fantastic. You know, the young lads, and I think our oldest players. You know, we've got one player at 30 and the rest are under 27. So I think the future's bright for us. We've got a good reserve team and a good 18s team as well that's coming through. All local lads, all friends, and you know, it does get you through games, and you know, the work ethic that we've got, and you know, in the football I think that we play, you know, it bodes well for the future for the club.
Yeah, you can ask more. I think they left everything on the pitch. They've done really well, you know. Last season it was semi-final, this season final, hopefully we're next year, and then we come back and win it. We're building every season, we've come a long way, so this is a massive day out for the club. It's like the biggest day we've ever been involved, so we're all very proud, and as a village, you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully next season we can build on it, and maybe more success in the league. A bit of fight, you know, it was our first season, we're 5th. So we can, Holywell won't be here, so I don't see why we can't mix it with the rest of them.
And just talk us through the goals.
First one, header. I don't usually score headers, so I'm happy with that. Second one was a scuff, but I'll take them all day.
And how good were the supporters for you today?
Oh, fantastic, absolutely brilliant. Every single week they come and support us. All the lads work so hard all season, so hard. So to come out champions, still got one more cup to go, so fingers crossed we bag that one as well, but absolutely brilliant. Yeah, made up.